Hello everyone, I'm going to show you some very important breathing exercises which is apparently very important in this COVID times. The first exercise needs to be done like you have to be supported. I'm going to show you in cross-leg sitting so that you can see how I perform. So basically when we breathe in, your tummy needs to rise up, and when you breathe out, it has to sink in. It is the correct form of breathing, that is, you use the diaphragm while breathing. That is the reason that you support your shoulders behind and breathe out by pursing your lips like this very slowly. The breathe out has to be very slow. The second exercise is inhale while raising your hands up, exhale while getting your hands down. Exhale very slowly, get your hands down very slowly. Don't be in a hurry. Just remember, exhaling out or breathing out has to be much more slower than breathing in. Like that. The other one is breathe in while pushing your hands behind, breathe out while pulling it inside. Pull it out and breathe in, pull it in and breathe out, pull it out and breathe in, pull it in and breathe out. Blow it by pursing your lips again so that you breathe out air more slowly than usual. The third one is your hands should be placed, or one of your hands should be placed in front of your mouth and huff. So it is done like that, like you blow out moisture on the glass window. That's how you do it. The last step will be you have to try and cough not more than 3 to 4 times. Okay, and the last exercise will be just breathe in and breathe out air, pursing your lips very slowly, the slowest that you can. This is because there is dead air inside the lungs that settles below, and you don't have to let it remain. If you empty your lungs completely, only then the new air will move inside. So release all the dead air from your lungs.